Hey guys, it's Kamrin and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys all of the products that I used to cover basically all of my dark marks. So of course, like with all makeup, I feel like the best thing to do is to prep your skin. Usually I use like a vitamin C toner or something that I can use in the daytime, but I left my usual on at my boyfriend's house. So this is the Nip and Fab Glycolic Fix Liquid Glow. This is usually what I use at night. It is a little bit later in the day, it's like 6 o'clock, so I'm just gonna use it now. Usually I use their vitamin C one during the day. This is just kind of to cleanse my face and prep it a little bit. I totally forgot that I wasn't gonna be able to do my makeup if I couldn't see myself. And then for moisturizer, I use this Rose Hip and Hibiscus. This is again a night cream because I left my usual moisturizer. The usual moisturizer I use is from Curology because it's pretty good and has like a nice velvety finish. I only use these on the times when my skin is like super dry during the day, but for right now, we'll use it, but this is like super moisturizing. I'm trying to make sure that I really prioritize my skincare before I put my makeup on. And my face gets red all the time when I put stuff on. I don't know why it does that, but okay. And then use this concealer. I've talked about this concealer like since the first day I got it. When this lady at Sephora put me on, I was like, yo, you are so clutch for this. This is the Becca Ultimate Coverage Longwear Concealer. I'm really sad because Becca is closing down in September, so I'm gonna have to order like a million of these. I think they're on sale right now for like $15 or $16 and they were originally like 30 bucks. But this stuff will cover every single thing on your face. It's nuts. And this shade is actually a little too light for me, by the way. I need a different shade. But I've been lazy, so I don't feel like going to get a new one. I need to order one though. I don't know why this camera is making my face look so red. It's a little red, but not that red. Then I just pat it in with my fingers because it's so thick and I feel like when I use a brush, kind of dissipates it too much, because I'm not using this like as my permanent color. I just use this underneath to spot treat a little bit. Today I'm just gonna do foundation just because I feel like it. So I take the Cover FX Power Play foundation. I discovered this probably when I was in like middle school or something. This is the only foundation I use. I swear by it. It's one of the few that doesn't break me out. I have very sensitive skin. MAC breaks me out, Too Faced breaks me out, everything breaks me out, and they have a really great color range. I do still have to mix just because I don't like to use one color foundation. I feel like it just doesn't provide enough dimension into your face. I've just gotten used to mixing the G90 and the G80 together. I use most of the G80 because I have a very yellowy kind of undertone. Right now my face looks so red, I don't know why. But the G90 I use kind of around like my darker spots up here, like the perimeters of my face. And then I use this brush. It is the Custom Complexion Brush. It helps you figure out what kind of complexion coverage you want, so minimum, mid, or max. Also, am I the only one who doesn't put foundation directly onto their nose? I feel like, I don't know, I've always never really done that. I just spread it. After that, I take my Fenty concealer. This is in the shade 255. I've had it a little bit under my eyes, like up like that, 2 here, 3 here. I saw this thing on TikTok that you're like not supposed to drag it down as far as we used to back in 2016, I guess, because this more so lifts your eyes if you like put it directly under and keep it like right above where you're going to place your contour, because I used to bring it all the way down here. And apparently that's like very dragging on your face. And so far I've kind of really liked this technique because I feel like it raises my eye up a little bit. Like it gives my eye a more elevated look. And then I just put this in the middle, kind of like all over the place, so that when I do my contour will look a bit more aggressive on my forehead. Then I'm doing my tried and true. This is the True Complexion Contour Palette, medium to dark. I swear by this. I get it from Walmart. It's like the best thing ever. I used the Sculpt shade. I was doing only the contour at one point, but I feel like it's just a little too dark for me. And it's more so kind of like a purpley dark color, and I prefer more of an orange contour. So I've been using just the Sculpt like as my main color. And since I've been having my wisdom teeth like messed up for literally months, my face has been so swollen. So I've been trying to be really aggressive with my contouring so that I don't look like my face is super swollen, when in reality it really is. And then I take my dark shade here, like the contour shade, and I just use this like right at the back of it and just like really blend it in so that it really intensifies my contour. I spray my setting spray for right now just so that this kind of sets in and has some time to like chill. I use the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This one's actually really good. It leaves my skin like super dewy. This is the Wow Brow from e.l.f. It has literally made my brow routine so simple. I literally just brush it in and I go. I just try to extend the front of it a little bit, because the more you bring your front tail in, the more it kind of slims and snatches your nose. After that, I do my blush. This is again from Cover FX. This thing is so dirty. This is the Warm Honey palette. This one is nice because it also has kind of like a highlighting section on it. So I just focus that right there on my outer cheeks. And then I kind of brush up my brows to make the e.l.f. Wow Brow look a bit more natural, because I feel like it can look kind of clumpy if you're not too careful. So this is the NYX Super Skinny Eye Marker. I swear by this eyeliner. I'm also like obsessed with eyeliner. I don't really know if I could ever have a makeup routine that doesn't include eyeliner. I feel like it's just my signature look, because I feel like I have quite small eyes, so I like to kind of extend them a little bit. And I just do like the outer edge. I don't do my full eye anymore. All right, eyeliner is done. Finally have some life to my eyes. And then after that, I take this mascara. This is, gosh, how's this dirty already? I just bought this, holy crap. This is the Maybelline Total Temptation. I have no eyebrows, like, I mean, eyelashes. I have no eyebrows too, but I have no eyelashes. And this mascara is really great. You guys will see. Like, you can see I have little baby lashes. This thing is about to make my lashes so thick. Am I the only one that hates putting on mascara? I feel like it hurts my neck. It is just so annoying. Also, the trick with this is I focus most of the mascara on the outer end of my eyes. This is like the way that I do the fox eye without having to put eyelashes on, because I'm just too lazy to do that. I barely even wear makeup anymore. I used to do my makeup every single day. Now I'm just like, whatever, like I literally don't care to do it. It's just too much work. And then I'm that kind of person that I like to just, once the day is over, I just want to get in bed. So I hate that I have to like take my makeup off and do a whole skincare routine. And it's hot as fuck out here. Like, it's like 96 degrees. And I'm not trying to be having like a whole face of makeup on, just melting away. And I got tired of it getting on everything. I was like, every time I would hug somebody, there would be like a whole stain of makeup. All right, and then I put a little bit on my bottom, just because like I get foundation on those eyelashes and then they look blonde and it's just really weird. Okay, and then I let that sit a little bit, because once it gets tacky, I'm gonna push it up with my finger. I'm gonna do my lips. So this has literally been my go-to lip combo forever. I don't think I've ever changed it. This is the 09 Spice Milani lip pencil. I no longer have any lip filler, so we're back to overlining again. My lip filler ran out and like it like disappeared from my lips in like 2 months, and I was like, yeah, no. I'm not paying $800 to get my lips redone like every 2 months. This is just too much work. And then I take the lipstick, which this is the color 69 in Milani as well. This is Matte Beauty. I just put that over. I take this lip gloss. This is from my friend's brand Anani. I swear by her lip glosses. They are so moisturizing and so nice. And then my eyelashes should be tacky. This is my trick. I go like this and then I close down, which basically is just like a natural eyelash curler. I take my Fenty setting powder. This is in the color Honey, just in the area that I need to mattify. Just kind of sculpt my contour. Set it one more time. Then I tap in again. Again, another Becca product which will no longer be around in September, so stock up while you can. This is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Liquid. This is in the color Champagne Pop, what Becca was most famous for. I prefer liquid highlighters so much more over powder now. I feel like they're a lot more flattering on the skin tone and they kind of melt in a bit more. Still obsessed with highlight on the nose. And I put a little on my chin. I used to never really like this, but I felt like it was kind of weird that my chin was like the only place that looked like it had no moisture. I'm gonna do my edges real quick and then I will show you guys basically the final look. All right, edges are did. I feel collected now. The hair came down, but that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If there's any products that you guys want to shop, I will have it in the description box down below. Some of them are affiliates, so I do get a percentage, but it does not raise the price for you. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up as well as to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.